So SMDH stands for Smart Manufacturing Data Hub, and it's a grant-funded project we were awarded at the start of the year, and it's a nationwide project. So the idea is we can roll out our solutions to UK customers, and they receive up to 5 fully funded sensors through the grant funding. And they can try the solution. If they like it, they can carry on with us. They can buy an upgrade if they need to later on. But it's a way of basically getting manufacturers on board with our product solution and getting our brand out there. For us, it's been fantastic because it's allowed us to polish the business model this year. We've got a lot of automation going on of the business processes that we need to get in place, from order inquiry all the way to production and then shipment to the customer, and all the configuration in between. So the grant funding is sort of paying for that polish, if you like, this year, and that smooth delivery of our SPI platform. So if you're an SME and you're a manufacturing business, you're basically entitled to up to 5 fully funded sensors from us, and 6 months of subscription to the dashboard as well. After that, if you want to, you can renew, but there's no obligation. So that's really quite a nice proposition for SMEs. And the funding runs out at the end of this year. So if you want it, you've got to be quick.